Hi everybody, I'm back again with my next build. I've decided to do this kit here, the Revell 70 Plymouth Hemi Cuda, as part of the Celebration of Life group build for Chris Cortel. My channel was greatly influenced by Chris. I use mostly all craft acrylics through a Apache airbrush. Got a lot of tips and techniques from watching his videos. I know he was a big Mopar fan, and so I'm going to do this Hemi Cuda. He also was the one who, one of his tutorial videos taught me how to paint a vinyl roof on a Mopar. So I'm going to do this color here with a black vinyl roof, but with this hood. I've got some pictures off the internet for inspiration, and this is in memory of Chris Cortel and all the influence that he had on me and my model building. And what a great influence it was, and we all miss him so much. So stay tuned for the upcoming build.